Class 10, welcome to the session again. Today we are going to cover chapter number 8, Mineral and Energy Resources, part 1. Now when we define mineral, it is an aggregate of two or more than two elements. It would have a definite chemical composition and is formed by the inorganic process. Now where the types and the minerals they are concerned, we have the metallic mineral, non-metallic mineral, and then we have the fossil fuels. Now these minerals, they are exhaustible in nature, so this is the reason why we should conserve it. This one given is iron ore. Now iron ore, it forms the backbone of our modern industrial development. It is very important for the economic growth of the country because the economic growth of the country, it is judged by the consumption of the iron. Now we have the four varieties of iron ore that is found in our country. Now these are the magnetite, hematite, limonite and siderite. Out of these four, the best variety is the magnetite because it contains 72% of the pure iron in it. Now children, in this particular chapter, or rather from this particular chapter, the important thing is the name of the states in order as they are given. Now say for example, when you go through the book, if where the magnetite it is written, the qualities, uses of it that you should know, and then these states, if Andhra Pradesh is written first, your answer should also contain Andhra Pradesh as the first position. Alright, same with the other of the varieties of iron ore. So this is the way that I'm going to cover out the chapter. Most of the chapter you are already familiar with because this is what you have done in the previous of the classes. So you can write about the uses of the iron ore, you can write about the uses of each and every variety of the iron ore. The only thing that you have to learn in the chapter is the name of the states or the regions or the districts in order wise. It should be order wise. The slide in front of you, the map, it shows the distribution of the iron ore. So from the state of Orissa, it is Keonjhar, Sundargarh and Mayurbhanj. Second is Jharkhand, Singhbhum and Palamau. Third is Chhattisgarh, Bastar and Durg. And then Karnataka, it is Kamangudi, Baba Budan Hills and Kudermukh. So this is how your learning it should go. After that it is Maharashtra, Goa, Andhra and Tamil Nadu. You should know each and every of the state along with the districts that are mentioned over here. So children, learn this. Now with regard to the distribution of iron ore in India, now read this portion, whatever the sort of the information that is given, read it. But you are going to refer the page from the map, the listing of the states and the districts in order you are going to learn from there. This page, distribution of iron ore, this is what you're going to only read and put the things in your mind. Now with regard to manganese, the uses is that it is very important mineral for making up the iron and steel, and nearly 9 kg manganese is required for manufacturing of 1 ton of the steel. Other than the uses is in the paint, pigment, ceramics. So all the uses that are given over here, learn it. Distribution of the manganese, again you are going to read the content, only the distribution. Learning will be taken from the slide that is coming here in front of you where manganese is written and the name of the states they are given. So for manganese it is Chhindwara and Balaghat. Then we have Orissa, Keonjhar and Sundargarh, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan along with the regions that is mentioned over here in the book. Then we come to bauxite. Now bauxite, it is the raw material for making up the aluminium and it is used for making up of the aircraft, ships and utensils. So again where the distribution that is concerned, simply give it the reading. Learn from the map where the bauxite it is written in the pink box, Orissa, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra along with the districts that is given there. So each and every of the district accordingly in order wise of the state and the district you should know. Now the last one over here we have the copper. It is very good conductor of electricity and it is very strong and highly ductile. And it is used in the electrical machinery, automobile industry, stainless steel and telephones. Now distribution of copper, again go through the reading portion only. Learning will take from the pink box where copper it is written Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Now children, below this page, the content analysis in brief is written, and again the distribution of iron, manganese, bauxite and copper that is shown here in our country. Now give it a reading but learn from the map. That is what is important. I am finishing this chapter over here. I did not lay much of the stress because uses of the minerals you are already aware of. The only thing I am repeating, now the only thing you have got to learn is the name of the states and their district accordingly as it is shown there in the book. So children, solve the set of the question answers, go through the analysis, the self-analysis questions. Now if anything is not clear, it can be clarified during the online session.